Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 18th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned how to add an image to your HTML document. In this tutorial, you will learn HTML forms. So let's get started. Okay guys, without wasting your time, HTML forms are used to collect user input such as contact details like name, email address, phone number, or even credit card information, among others. Alright? You have probably filled out a form on the internet. So that form that you fill out, it was an HTML form. HTML form is defined by form tag. You can see we open our form tag and closed it here. Alright, now we are telling the browser that what will come inside here is a form. Okay, now we have these two attributes, but I am not going to talk about them now because they are for server-side languages like PHP and JavaScript. So we'll leave them for future tutorial on PHP and JavaScript. Alright, so let's ignore them for now. Okay, HTML form contain elements called controls like input box, checkbox, radio button, and so much more that you will learn in this tutorial. Okay, because there are so many, I will do them one by one so that you understand them. Okay, now I will start with input element. All right, an input element, let me paste this one here. You can see it is self-closing tag. Input and then the type of the input that you put. So the type now is text. So this one is like when you are filling out a form, there is a field asking for your username. So that one is a text input. It asks for only single line text, right? And then we have this ID. This ID, I will talk about it later on, not now. And then the name, all right, even this one, I will talk about it later on, not now. Okay, all right. Now, let me save it. Refresh my page. You can see now we have an input here, a single line input. All right. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will teach you how to label your input, because now the user will not know what information is being asked here, right? So I will see you there.